Hi children, how are you? Children, now it's a prayer time. Close your eyes. Ashatoma Shatkamaya Tamashoma Jyotirkamaya Brityoma Amardam Kamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, slowly open your eyes. Okay children, today we are going to learn about reading skill. Okay, children, take your CS book. Okay, listen. Need for goal setting. Setting goals is an essential part of life for students in planning for the future. It is important for students to have many and varied opportunities to set goals and practice the goal setting process, including the evaluation of goal period to finish high school. Setting goal is just one aspect of self-determination that students learn and practice repeatedly over time to establish this activity in their lives. Often goal setting can also be used in a job or community setting or just in the about things that students might like to achieve in their lives. Parents and others can use goal setting with students away from school to the involvement in life outside of school. All this can help students to decide they want to do. Next one is, ask yourself, what can I do to get a better grade in the coming exam? Or do I have some idea about getting the job I want? If you have no idea or not able to express yourself, you should begin to set goals. Learn to solve problems and make decisions. The steps listed below can be used to structure your goal setting ability. Identify the goal. What do you want to do? Second one is, write down the goal. Is the goal clear, conscious and measurable? Is it short term or long term? Third one is, creation and action plan. How will you begin to work on this goal and when? Fourth one is, evaluate progress and adjust the plan goal accordingly. How are you doing? What have you done? Is the goal achieved or not? Next one is, benefits of goal setting. The setting and achieving of goal provides students with a way to become more self-directed and independent. Self-determination means being able to make choice and decision about one's own life without any more outside support than absolutely necessary. Self-determination results when individuals learn and use aspects of self-determination, such as choice making, problem solving, etc. The wholehearted involvement and supportive environment are essential to the success of process regular experience that involve the principles of self-determination also important. Next one is goal checklist. Is a goal specific, not too narrow in focus or too broad? Is the goal measurable or directly observable? Is it relevant to student, environment or situations? Or it is an attempt being made to modify the environment of the students? Is the goal attainable yet challenging enough? Is this something the students really want to work on and something you can help them do? Is there a timeline for the goal? Can students envisage the completed goal or say what the goal will look like when finished? Okay children, today homework is read and write lesson 3 keywords one time in classwork note. You also reading this page. Record your voice, submitted on Google Classroom. Okay cuties? Okay children, stay safe, stay in your home, voice screen time. Thank you.